Hello everyone, this is Kathleen, and I am here to show the inside, what I'm going to do on the inside covers of this journal. So this is the pretty kit journal, and I have taped some plastic over this just to protect that motif until I can, put it away, and because I don't want it to get, grungy. Likewise, the fabric is at risk on this desk, so I'm going to do just kind of a minimum on the inside here and then put the cover away until later. But I wanted to show what I'm going to do. So you'll see that I have scored 3 lines here to kind of create the rounded edge on this cover, but I don't like the way that looks. So the first thing I'm going to do is cover that with some tissue, but I am going to create some layers again. So I'm going to first of all just make some texture stamps along the edges. There we go. And then we'll do some more of that probably in between the layers. So I have just some pieces, some scraps here. I have some pieces of the napkin and the tissue that's in the kit. The book pages are not in the kit. You'll have plenty of those on your own. The next thing we're going to use is just this matte gel. And so this is not going to take very long, but it's going to make a difference in covering up that. I think we'll start with some dictionary page at the top. All right, and then maybe some of this tissue. And some other tissue. Let's do a little bit of napkin. Oops. This is random, so it doesn't really matter. But we do want to get air bubbles out. This is some sewing pattern. Let's do another bit of dictionary page. I really like this napkin. It looks like lace. Just gonna try to roughen up that edge a little bit. Oops. Let's see if we can get that up. Good. We'll just do another little piece of dictionary. Another bit of lace. So I need some of this color down here, I think. And I think we'll finish with this tissue. All right, if I can find another little piece of that tissue, yes, we'll put a little bit up here at the top. Okay, now you'll be patient with me while I give that a dry. And as I think I had mentioned before, I wrap this in a baby wipe until I can get to a sink to clean that. All right, let me just give this a little shot to dry. So I'm really excited about this new project. I think it's going to turn out well. It's going to be kind of small, you can see, but sometimes you need a small journal. You don't always want a great big one. Okay, now that that's dry, I want to add another couple of just texture. It just adds some layers, and you know that I like that. Okay, the next thing I want to do is some stenciling. Whoa. I should take the time to clean this up, but I'm just going to not. This is Tim Holtz stencil, and I am just going to use some distress ink. First, this is just a dark brown walnut stain, and I'm going to get these little polka dots down here. And then I am as well going to give just kind of a little bit of a back drop to the leaves. All right, now we're going to change and do this is forest moss. stenciling, you always do the back first, the bottom layer. And now I'm going to do just a little bit of background on some of these where I'm going to stamp some flowers. And do a little bit of pink. Okay, time for the reveal. Let's hope it's, yeah, that's what I like. Yep. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on this side, but we're going to do it opposite. All right, so we do the walnut stain again with the polka dots. Sorry if the camera's shaking. This is kind of a thick stencil, and so I've got to get that ink down through the stencil. Okay, now I'll do the little bit of background here. I love mixed media work. Honestly, I really do. And then bring the green back in. For the leaves. And finally, the pink again. We did a little bit there. We did a little bit up here. And we did right in here and right in here. Okay. All right. There we go. That's looking good. Now I'm going to take my spray bottle and just give that a mist and activate that distress. That's what I love about distress. Now I have some, whoops, oh my gosh, oh, tiny stamp acrylic. It's just the tiniest little flower. If I can get it to stick now. And I have this archival ink in Thistle, a little bit of purple. There is not much purple on this in this fabric, but a little bit. So I'm going to just now go in and put some flowers in these leaves. right, same thing on this side. All right, I better call that good. And then I have a little bit of script. So we'll just take some black script and let's turn it over upside down. All right, that's good. And so that's done now. So I can take that plastic off. So here's the outside of the cover and the inside. And I also have the signatures done. Signature, it's just one signature. And so that is ready to be sewn in now that the inside cover is ready. So I'll do that, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for being with me.